Hey everyone, welcome to today's comparison. In this video, we're going to compare two of the most popular mechanic toolkits, the Craftsman 230-piece tool set and the DEWALT Mechanics toolkit. Let's dive into their features and find out which one is best suited for your needs. The Craftsman 230-piece tool set is a complete kit offering a wide range of tools such as wrenches, ratchets, and sockets designed for DIY enthusiasts and home mechanics. On the other hand, the DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit includes premium tools specifically built for professional mechanics, with a focus on durability and precision. When it comes to durability, the DEWALT kit truly stands out. Its tools are built with high-quality chrome vanadium steel, providing excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. The Craftsman kit, though very reliable, uses a mix of materials that make it better suited for lighter, occasional use, but still holds up for most DIY projects. Both kits come with a variety of tools, but let's look at the tool variety in more detail. The Craftsman 230-piece set offers a massive selection, including deep sockets, extension bars, and combination wrenches, which gives you a versatile toolkit for a wide range of tasks. On the other hand, the DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit is designed with ratchets with a 72-tooth mechanism, providing a smoother operation and less effort in tight spaces. Now, let's talk about design and ergonomics. The DEWALT kit features anti-slip handles on its wrenches and ratchets, offering a comfortable and secure grip during long jobs. Its sturdy carrying case keeps everything organized and easily accessible. In comparison, the Craftsman 230-piece set comes in a compact, sturdy storage case, making it easy to carry and store, and the rubber-coated handles on the tools make them user-friendly for anyone, even those new to DIY. Precision is another key factor to consider. The DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit includes specialized tools like precision torque wrenches, which are crucial for professional automotive or mechanical work. The Craftsman 230-piece set offers a variety of tools suitable for general use, but it doesn't include the same level of specialized tools as the DEWALT kit. So which one should you choose? If you're a DIYer or an occasional mechanic who needs a versatile, all-around toolkit for home repairs and small projects, the Craftsman 230-piece tool set is an excellent choice. But if you're a professional mechanic or someone who needs precision tools for tough jobs, the DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit offers superior quality, durability, and ergonomics. If you found this comparison helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tool reviews and comparisons. Let us know in the comments which toolkit you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.